Hello and welcome guys. In this video I will show you how to set up your phone to pair with the Yi Xiaomi original camera. Now let's have a look. Now what you're going to need to do is you want to go to the Xiaomi Yi app and you want to download that onto your phone. And once you have that installed on your phone, you're going to go to the Yi action camera, the white one, the one that matches your camera, and you're going to pick this. So what we're going to do first is going to turn on the camera first. So you're going to turn on the camera and see the Wi-Fi button right here on the side. Now it's going to light up blue and you're going to wait for it to start blinking. Now you're going to need a Wi-Fi connection for this. So we're going to wait for it to start blinking, and once you have downloaded on your phone the Yi camera app, you're going to choose the camera. So see, now it starts to blink. So what you're going to do is you're going to pair them. So you're going to connect. You're going to pick the camera and it's going to connect. Okay, so once your connection is successful, you're going to be able to see the camera. You can either pick video or photo. So for our purposes, we're going to pick video. Okay, so there you go. Now it's ready to go with your phone, and all you have to do is hit. So let's record something real quick. So once it's going, you see it's going to light up red, and then you're ready to go. That means you're recording video. So I hope you found this useful, and if you'd like more information about this and how to use the app and all the other features, please feel free to contact me on the comments below, and also I'll have a link to the app on the description of this video. So I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye-bye. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every time I upload a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.